are going to learn in the second class about India physical features. In the last class we talked about India and its location, its area, and what are the latitudinal extension and what are the longitudinal extension of our India. Today we are going to learn about neighboring countries. India has how many neighboring countries? We are going to learn and locate where the countries are located and on which side. If we come to know, India covers, we already learned, an area of about 3.8 million square kilometer, and in which 3.28 million square kilometer and occupying 7th place in area. If we see India's neighbors, you are observing on the north-west side of India, Pakistan, and Pakistan's neighboring country, Afghanistan also had frontier with our India. Then Nepal and Bhutan, both countries on the north, whereas China, also one of the large countries in the world, also has frontier with our India, and here Bangladesh and last Myanmar. If we see Pakistan, Afghanistan, China and Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, last Myanmar. So India has been sharing land frontier with 7 countries. And if we see among these 7, from West Bengal up to the Tripura, the country which is sharing the longest border with our India is Bangladesh. With Bangladesh, our India has a frontier of about 4,096 kilometers. Now we have to see which states are sharing border with our neighboring countries from Pakistan onwards. Suppose we take first country, Pakistan. Pakistan is sharing border with our Indian states, Jammu and Kashmir, and here Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. So 4 states, Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir states are sharing border with our neighboring country Pakistan. But we learn very well in the recent changes, Narendra Modi, our PM, has changed the designation of Jammu and Kashmir from state into a union territory, and according to the new change, we have 28 states and 9 UTs. It is Jammu and Kashmir, previously was to be called as a state. Now it is the area consisted of 2 UTs. One is Jammu and one is Ladakh. And Pakistan is sharing with 4 states. Then we have to see the second, Afghanistan. And you know very well, Afghanistan is sharing border with India only on north, only with Jammu and Kashmir. Whereas the third country, China, from Jammu and Kashmir and here Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. With China, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. And whereas the 4th state we have to see Nepal. With Nepal, what are the states sharing border? Uttarakhand one state, Uttar Pradesh second, Bihar third and Sikkim. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Sikkim are the four states sharing border with Nepal. The same way we have to see with Bhutan, Sikkim again, and West Bengal. So this is entirely West Bengal. So it has border with Sikkim, West Bengal, and Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Bhutan country has land frontier with our Indian states, Sikkim and West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. And the sixth one, Bangladesh. With Bangladesh, it is clearly appearance for us in the map. West Bengal, Bangladesh has border with West Bengal, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura. West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura. These are, and the last, Myanmar, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. With Myanmar, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. So in this way, what are the states in our India sharing border with our neighboring countries is we discussed. Then comes to learn about India on the whole comprised 6 physical divisions. The 6 physical divisions of our India are: on the north, the snow-capped young folded Himalayan mountains, whereas the second, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, and the third, Indian Peninsular Plateau, and the fourth, coastal plains, and the fifth, Great Indian Desert, and last one, islands group. If we see one by one, you are observing in the map from Jammu and Kashmir up to Arunachal Pradesh in the shape of an arc, a long arc, in the shape of an arc, the 3 parallel ranges comprised the long Himalayan range is appear on the board. It means Himalayas are formed, Himalayas are extended from Jammu and Kashmir up to Arunachal Pradesh, and they have a distance of 2,400 kilometers. If we observe carefully, the original high ranges of Himalayan mountains are not belong to India. They are lie in Nepal, and whereas the second range Himachal and the third range Shivalik both are lie in our India. And if we see Himalayas on the north and the second physical part here, Indian Indo-Gangetic Plain, and you are observing in India the irregular triangle part, it is to be called here, and this is Indian Peninsular Plateau, and between Himalayas and Indian Peninsular Plateau and a wide plain is located. This is to be known as Indo-Gangetic Plain. First one Himalayas and the second Indo-Gangetic Plain and the third Indian Peninsular Plateau, whereas the fourth one India has 2 coastal plains. One is in the east coastal plain, whereas in the second one west coastal plain, and east coastal plain nearby the Bay of Bengal, whereas in the west coastal plain nearby Arabian Sea. And in the fifth one, you are observing on the board northwest side covers in this Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. In these 4 states comprised a great desert called Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the one of the important deserts in the world. This is the 5th physical unit, and whereas the last you are observing here in the Arabian Sea water, a group of small islands is located in our India, These are near to the equator. This is here Lakshadweep group. Whereas in the right side, in the Bay of Bengal waters, two more island groups are there. One is to be called as here Andaman, whereas the second one Nicobar. These are the 6 physical divisions of our India, and each division about in the next class we are going to learn. Thank you.